Let us assume the particle has a velocity in the y direction as 2 meter per second and velocity in x direction as 2 meter per second. Acceleration along x and y is also known. Acceleration along x is 1 meter per second या फिर whatever जो भी ले लो 3 meter per second square and acceleration is along y is 4 meter per second square. You have to find out the motion or find the motion the particle is undergoing. क्या type का motion हो रहा है? Describe the motion. To find the rate of change of speed. Find the radius of curvature of the path of the particle at this instant. So this concept is on radius of curvature. ठीक है, सॉल्व करो. क्या पाथ है पार्टिकल का? स्ट्रेट लाइन, curvilinear motion, accelerated motion, retarded motion, what motion? 4 ऑप्शन दे दिया मैं. Linear accelerated, linear retarded, curvilinear accelerated, curvilinear retarded. None of these. हाँ, curvilinear accelerated, curvilinear retarded दो मोशन दिया मैं. Why?
राइट में एक्सेलरेट कर रहा है और एक्सेलरेशन का जैसे एक्स में एंड वाई में एक्सेलरेशन में और लाइक रेक्टाइल टाइप हो गया.
नहीं. और कुछ. ये एक मिसलीडिंग तरीका है सोचने का. I could have changed the values and I could have surely ensured that this argument gives you a wrong answer. मतलब ये that could be done easily.
So straight line path है.
Straight line path होगा. Straight line कब होता?
Same actually.
जब acceleration भी same होता है. यहाँ पर acceleration same नहीं है तो दोनों साइड में. If the acceleration was also 3 and 3 या फिर 4 and 4, then the resultant acceleration would be 45 degrees. Resultant velocity would also be 45 degrees. But इधर पे क्या हो रहा है? The resultant velocity is at 45 degrees. Okay, and the acceleration is at what? 53 degrees. 4 और 3 का resultant is 53 degrees. देखो समझ में आ रहा है. And so I can resolve acceleration into two components. So the first thing is that this angle between acceleration and velocity is less than 90. Okay, so it is an accelerated curvilinear acceleration. Curvilinear accelerated motion. Why curvilinear? Because there is a perpendicular component of acceleration as well. And why accelerated? Because along velocity. Curvilinear accelerated motion. See if you are clear with this much. Okay. Now what? What is the rate of change of speed?
A parallel.
How much is it? Rate of change of speed, मतलब dd, is this what is asked in the question? ये पूछा है क्या question में? Is this what is asked in the question? How much is this dv dt का mod?
Tangential acceleration.
Is this what we have to calculate in part B?
No, sir.
No, this is 5 meter per second square. This is mod of acceleration, which is 5. What we have to calculate is mod of speed ka rate of change, mod of velocity ka rate of change. This is what is asked. Tangential acceleration. How will you find this out? A cos theta. Theta कितना है यहाँ पे?
8 degrees.
सॉरी
8 degrees.
हाँ, तो फिर अब 8 डिग्री का कॉस कैसे निकालोगे? टोटल
cos
एक्सेलरेशन
53 minus 45 वाला फॉर्मूला लगा के.
नहीं, वो नहीं करूँगा मैं. टोटल स्पीड आया 2√2, टोटल एक्सेलरेशन आया 5.
It dot b by mod.
यस, गुड गुड. पूरे सेशन का दूसरा अच्छा आंसर है शायद. एनीवेज, a डॉट v बाई mod v, component of one vector on the other vector यार. a डॉट v बाई mod v, a डॉट v आराम से निकल जाएगा. a क्या है? a को लिख सकते हैं 3i cap plus 4j cap. v is how much? 2i cap plus 2j cap. a डॉट v क्या होगा? 6 plus 8 14 divided by mod v, which is 2√2, so 7 by root 2. Yeah, Vicky gave the correct answer. Very good. Now what? You have to find out the radius of curvature. How do you find that? क्या formula होता है radius of
Another
curvature का?
component.
What is the formula for radius of curvature?
V tangential square by a normal.
By a normal. What is the other formula for radius of curvature? अगर equation of trajectory दिया हुआ हो तो कैसे निकालते हैं radius of curvature का value?
1 plus dy by dx square into
Whole
d
cube.
power by 2 by d2y by dx.
Very good. Very good. इससे सेम रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हो कि a particle is moving in y equals to sin x with a speed u. Find the acceleration of the particle when it is at find acceleration of the particle at x equals to pi by 2. पार्टिकल एक पाथ में मूव कर रहे हैं, तो यहाँ पर अगर ये इक्वेशन पता है तभी सॉल्व होगा. यू नो दिस वुड बी द फास्टेस्ट वे ऑफ सॉल्विंग. Anyways, coming back to the question at hand, vt square by an. Vt square is how much? 5. What is an? How much is the normal acceleration? दूसरा component कैसे निकालेंगे? Sorry, मैं कुछ गलत कह दिया. हाँ, v square is 2√2 का स्क्वायर. 2√2 का स्क्वायर divided by an. How much is an? What is the normal acceleration? कैसे निकालेंगे normal component of acceleration?
Root under 5 square minus 1.
Yes, of course. Total acceleration पता है और एक component पता है तो दूसरा component तो आराम से निकाल सकते हो. Under root of a square minus a parallel square. This is a parallel. Okay. So 749 by 2 हो गया ये, और वो 5 तो 50 minus 49 by 2, so 1 by 2, तो root 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा, तो 8 root 2. सॉल्व करना तुम लोग 2-3 पन्ना लगेगा सॉल्व करने में, फिर ये आ जाएगा. So this is the equation. तो path of the particle हो सकता है ऐसा कुछ होगा. I'm just drawing a rough thing. ऐसा कुछ path होगा. Radius of curvature. Center somewhere over here. Not a circle. Not a circle, of course. That center is the center of a circle drawn at that point. Path ऐसा कुछ होगा. तो this question you can solve at home. Radius of curvature के ऊपर ही, right? और एक question which I had thought of asking you, radius of curvature के ऊपर was this. Particle is thrown with a speed v0. ठीक है ना? At any general point, you have to find out the radius of curvature is proportional to v or v square or v cube or v4. Solve कर.
If you want to solve more JEE advanced problem, then subscribe to our channel.